差し出す、差し出す、差し出す mean hold out, present or send. Sashi is mean when you want to point to something, or when you want to specific for something, you can use sashi or sasu. But the word dasu is put something out. So when we use Sashidasu, it means you want to take something out to show with someone, or you want to take specific something to be show with another people. So you can say Sashidasu or Sashidashimasu. For example, you want to say you want to show the another people, or you want to send your letter or your gift or your package, and in that time you can say like tekami o sashidasu, tekami o sashidasu, which means you want to send, or you will send your letter. And in the case like it, that means you will show your letter to the post office staff that you want to send the letter. So you can say tekami o sashidashimasu, tekami o sashidashitemasu, which means I am showing my letter for the staff. Or you can say like package, or you can say like the thing you want to show. For example, computer. パソコンを差し出します which means you show or you present the computer. You want to show, or you hold out the computer to show with other people. So we can use パソコンを差し出します or for example, 携帯電話を差し出します which means you show your computer